This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Lisa Jane Hanson. Refreshed and move-in ready. Light and bright lower-end unit. HOA replaced plumbing in building. New quartz counters, kitchen appliances, and water heater. New vinyl floors, carpet, and paint. Storage on covered patio. Only 1 mile to grocery, library, coffee, dining, and 2 riverfront parks. A few miles to downtown WL, Low and OC. On bus line. Deeded garage. Pool, hot tub, clubhouse, and gym. HOA includes water, sewer, garbage, cable TV and high-speed internet and more. Open house Saturday and Sunday 11 to 1, come fall in love. For more information, review